I'm Gabi Azam, the Senior Officer for Information, Education, and Inquiry at the Liberia Revenue Authority. I'm responsible to educate taxpayers on the taxes they pay on a daily and yearly basis. Today, I will be drilling you through the personal income tax calculation based on our revenue code. Now, firstly, what is personal income? Personal income is an amount paid by an individual on his income on a monthly and yearly basis. Now, at the end of every month, individuals do pay taxes on their income, that is the salaries. Taxes are calculated from the salaries you earn on a monthly basis, and those salaries are remitted by your employer in the general revenue account. According to our revenue code, we use the personal income tax table, which has 4 bands. Now, according to the personal income tax table, the first band says anybody earning from 0 to 70,000 Liberian dollars per annum, that person is tax free. They don't pay any tax. If your salary is between 1 to 70,000 Liberian dollars per annum, you don't pay any tax on such salary. The next band is from $70,001 to 200,000 Liberian dollars. If your salary is between 70,001 to 200,000 Liberian dollars, you pay 5% of the excess over 70,000. Meaning, when your salary is calculated, if, take for example, you make $100, that amount that you make will be calculated on the Liberian dollar basis, because our tax code says we calculate based on the Liberian dollar. So if your salary is 100 United States dollars, we will first find the annual taxes, the annual salary that you earn. That means to say we will calculate your salary times 12 and put it in Liberian dollar using the prevailing rate. And so at the end of the day, if that amount that is obtained is between 70,001 to 200,000, then you fall in the second band of the table. So we will now be taxing you 5% of the excess over 70,000, meaning we will deduct 70,000 from the amount that we got, and the remaining we will apply 5%. Now that 5% we will now divide by 12 and we'll get your monthly tax. The next band is those earning from 200,001 Liberian dollars to 800,000 Liberian dollars. If you fall within that band, which is the third band, the tax that will be applied, the taxes applied to your salary will be 6,500, which is a constant, plus 15% of the excess over 200,000, meaning the amount that we'll receive at the end of the calculation, we will subtract 200,000 from there, and the balance will apply 15%, and on that 15% we will add the constant 6,500 and divide by 12 to obtain your monthly tax. Then the last band, of course, which is from 800,001 Liberian dollars upwards. If you earn above 800,001 Liberian dollars, then you fall in the fourth band, and that fourth band, the taxes applied is 96,500, which is a constant, plus 25% of the excess over 800,000. So, as usual, we will find the excess, subtract 800,000 and find the excess, and on that excess we will apply 25%. The 25% we will then add 96,500, which is the constant, and the amount we will obtain will be divided by 12 to get your basic salary for the month. Now, we are going to display for you a graph on how it is calculated based on what we've said. Now, the first step will be to calculate how much you earn a year. So if your salary is $100, we'll multiply it by 12 and multiply it by the prevailing rate. Then we'll get the amount. Now, having gotten that amount, then we'll apply it in the second step to the table to see which band you fall in. Now, in the third step, based on the band that you fall in, then we'll do the necessary calculation to get the taxes you're supposed to pay. And at the end of the day, we'll now convert that Liberian dollar to United States dollars if you want to pay in US dollars to get the amount you're supposed to pay using the prevailing rate also. And if that calculation is done, then we obtain the taxes you're supposed to pay on a monthly basis. Now, thank you for watching.